I've been in China for 5 years, and the more I stay here, the more I see why it's important in China.
More and more Chinese companies are going overseas to do international contracting and to do investment.
The new generation has to be equipped with some tools and some way of thinking which might be different from the ones people of my age had.
I think the students need to consider this business program as the door that can open for them a new path, a new experience in China.
Through a program like CMBP, you do talk to the professionals who spend time here, the people who build business here, the people who got employed here by Chinese multinationals, but also European multinationals.
This program will give you a unique perspective of how to live, work, and grow a career in China.
I believe it's a great program that gives an opportunity to young professionals to familiarize themselves with the dynamics of business in China, but also with the challenges that are ahead of them.
The majority of the new jobs that this new generation will have not been created yet. So you need an openness of mind to be able to capture those trends.